smaller group that only has things from the bigger group. Every single thing inside. Okay, we have a set with nothing inside it. This is called the empty set. We need to find all the subsets of this empty set. First, let's remember what a subset means. A subset is a smaller group that only has things from the bigger group. Every single thing inside the small group must also be inside the big group. Here is a cool trick. If a set has n things inside it, then the number of subsets is 2 to the power n. This helps us know how many subsets to look for. Let's count how many things are inside our set. We look inside and there is nothing at all, so n equals 0. Now we put n equals 0 into our trick. 2 to the power 0 equals 1. So there is only one subset, just 1. So what is that one subset? It is the empty set itself. The empty set is always a subset of every set. Since there is nothing inside it, there is nothing wrong or missing. It fits perfectly. Great job. The empty set has only one subset, and that subset is the empty set itself. We can write the answer as a set containing the empty set. You did it.